Driving just isn't the same anymore. These days, it feels like car manufacturers are more focused on cramming tech into their vehicles than improving the actual driving experience. Take the Audi e-tron GT-RS, for example. It's over $140,000 and packed with adaptive suspensions, multiple drive modes, matrix headlights, and enough menus to make you feel like you need a PhD just to adjust the AC. Sure, it's fast, but do you really need a spaceship just to run errands? With all the AI assistants, oversized infotainment systems, and smart features that often cause more distraction than convenience, modern EVs are leaning into a high-tech, high-cost trend that not everyone wants. But the Tesla Model 2 is flipping that script. Priced at just $15,799, it ditches the unnecessary fluff and focuses on what really matters: simplicity, smart design, and a pure driving experience. Want to drive with confidence again? The Tesla Model 2 is designed to help you feel instantly more in control the moment you get behind the wheel. Having a clear, wide view of the road isn't just a nice-to-have feature. It's essential for safe, confident driving, especially for older adults. That's why Tesla rethought visibility from the ground up. Dashboard design. The dashboard sits nearly 4 inches lower than in most compact sedans. This might seem like a small tweak, but it opens up your forward view and reduces the need to lean forward or constantly shift your posture. Less strain, more natural driving, especially on long trips. Smarter screen placement. Unlike the floating, high-mounted screens found in many EVs today, the Model 2 center screen is set 2 to 3 inches lower and recessed into the dash. That means it doesn't block your view of the road, so your focus stays where it belongs, on driving. Elevated seating. The seats are raised by about 2.5 inches compared to typical sedans, giving drivers a more upright, SUV-like position. It's easier on your body and improves your visibility over the dash and out the sides, all while keeping the comfort and easy entry of a compact car. Wider windshield. Tesla expanded the windshield by nearly 6 inches compared to most compact sedans. The result? A dramatically larger field of view, which boosts confidence when navigating tight corners, busy intersections, or city traffic. Slimmer A-pillars. The structural pillars on either side of the windshield are now 30% slimmer than the industry standard. This reduces blind spots and improves your ability to spot pedestrians, cyclists, or oncoming traffic, especially in older neighborhoods and complex intersections. Mirror controls. That makes sense. Side mirrors are about 15% larger than standard, offering a broader view of what's behind and beside you. Adjust them with a traditional knob or use the touchscreen, whichever feels more intuitive to you. No overcomplication, just better visibility and control. If simpler controls and fewer blind spots sound like a dream, drop a Tesla in the comments. How does the Model 2 make comfort count, even before you drive? Comfort starts the moment you open the door, and Tesla clearly kept everyday drivers in mind when designing the Model 2's entry and seating. Easy entry. The seat height is designed to match that of the average kitchen chair, around 18 to 20 inches off the ground. That means no crouching down low or climbing up high. Just slide in and sit. It's a welcome change, especially for those with knee, hip, or back pain. Wide opening doors. The doors swing open at a wider angle, around 70 to 75 degrees, compared to most compact cars. That gives you more space to move, reducing the risk of bumping your knees or twisting awkwardly to get in or out. It's a small touch that makes a big difference for people with limited mobility, including anyone using canes or walkers. The Tesla Model 2 isn't trying to wow you with tech you don't need. It's built to make driving feel natural, easy, and comfortable again. Before we jump into more specs, help us reach 10,000 subscribers here on NextGen Theories by hitting that subscribe button and tapping the bell so you never miss an update on the most human-centered EV yet. Making entry and comfort effortless. One of the standout features in the Tesla Model 2 is its power-assisted rotating driver's seat, which can swivel outward up to 30 degrees. This thoughtful feature gently turns you toward the door and can slightly raise or lower itself, making it dramatically easier to get in or out without straining your knees, hips, or back. Similar tech in luxury vehicles can cost upwards of $1,500, but Tesla is expected to offer it as part of an affordable upgrade package. Once you're seated, you'll notice the supportive orthopedic-grade cushions that help keep your spine properly aligned. The balance is just right, not too soft, not too firm, so you stay comfortable and alert, even on longer drives. That's especially important for older drivers or anyone with existing back pain. As for materials, Tesla is expected to offer two smart choices: a high-quality breathable fabric and a premium vegan leather, both stain-resistant and easy to clean. Whether you have kids, pets, or just want something low maintenance without sacrificing comfort, the Model 2 delivers. Taking the guesswork out of driving today's cars often feel like cockpits. Touchscreens everywhere, menus buried under layers, and features most drivers don't even use. The Tesla Model 2 does things differently. It's built for real people who just want to get in, drive, and go. Right up front, you'll find just 4 physical buttons. One for air conditioning, one for the radio, one for hazard lights, one for defrost. That's it. Simple, familiar, and placed exactly where you'd expect. Climate control is handled by a single rotary knob that lets you adjust both the temperature and fan speed by feel, so you can keep your eyes on the road. It's faster, safer, and far more intuitive than trying to swipe through layered menus while driving. The Model 2's display includes what Tesla calls Essential Mode. It shows only the basics: your speed, battery level, current gear. And it does so in a large, easy-to-read font, estimated around 20 to 24 points, which makes a huge difference, especially for older drivers or anyone tired of squinting at tiny icons. No clutter, no flashy animations, no random alerts popping up. Just clean, functional design. Even voice commands have been stripped down to what actually works. No awkward chatbot conversations or confusing prompts. You just say what you need. Turn on AC. Call home. Play AM radio. It's that simple. Drop a Model 2 in the comments if you'd pick real buttons over touchscreen overload any day. Yes, it's still fun to drive. Now, just because the Model 2 is affordable and practical doesn't mean it skimps on the fun. In fact, it delivers more driving excitement than many vehicles twice its price. For starters, it features a rear-wheel drive layout, a favorite among driving enthusiasts. This setup gives the car better weight balance and sharper handling, especially in corners or on slippery roads. It feels grounded and agile, unlike the nose-heavy feel you get with most front-wheel drive compacts. Performance-wise, the Model 2 is no slouch. It's expected to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.9 seconds, quicker than a 2024 Toyota Camry TRD, which takes about 6.8 seconds. That kind of acceleration makes merging, passing, and climbing hills smooth and effortless. Inside, Tesla didn't cut corners. The cabin is equipped with advanced sound insulation, including dual-pane acoustic glass on the windshield and front windows. This helps block out up to 40% more noise compared to standard compact cars. So whether you're commuting or taking a weekend trip, the ride feels calm and conversation-friendly. When it comes to handling, the Model 2 excels in tight spaces too. With a turning radius of just 34.1 feet, it's more maneuverable than a Honda Civic, 35.4 feet, or Toyota Corolla, 35.6 feet. That makes it ideal for navigating narrow streets, older neighborhoods, or tight parking lots. And at an estimated curb weight of under 3,200 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for an EV. That low weight contributes to the Model 2's quick steering response and nimble feel, especially at low speeds. Can the Tesla Model 2 be simple and smart? Most EVs today seem to assume you're a tech expert. They want you to download apps, sync your phone, link Bluetooth, approve permissions, and that's just to unlock your car. But the Tesla Model 2 takes a different route. It's built to be simple enough for everyday drivers, but smart enough for tech lovers too. Let's start with the basics. You don't need a smartphone to use this car. Every Model 2 comes standard with a physical NFC keycard. Just tap it near the door, press the start button, and you're good to go. Prefer a more traditional option? There's also an optional wireless key fob available. No app setup, no syncing, no signal required. Manual unlock and start functions are included even in the base model, so the car works whether you're tech savvy or not. That's a huge bonus for seniors, drivers who prefer simplicity, or anyone who just wants their car to function without a fuss. For those who really want to unplug, Tesla has added a phone-free mode that disables all smartphone connectivity and streamlines the interface to just the essentials. If you liked how gas cars worked, straightforward and easy, this mode brings that same feeling to the EV world. But Tesla didn't forget about the tech crowd. For younger drivers, or anyone who loves having everything in their pocket, the Model 2 Plus trim includes full mobile integration through the Tesla app. That means you can preheat or cool the cabin remotely. Check your car's battery level in real time. Locate your vehicle via GPS schedule, charging for off-peak electricity savings. It's a full-featured digital experience for those who want it, especially appealing to the 71% of Gen Z and millennial EV buyers who say they prefer managing their cars through their phones. So what about you? Drop a 1 if you love the idea of a phone-free, no-fuss driving experience. Drop a 2 if you're all in on full mobile integration. The Tesla Model 2 gives you both options without forcing you into one or the other. At just $15,799, it's affordable, practical, and designed for people who just want to enjoy driving again. No tech overload, just clean design, intuitive controls, and everyday comfort that makes sense. It's a perfect match for seniors, families on a budget, or anyone tired of overcomplicated cars. If that sounds like you, the Tesla Model 2 might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a future update from NextGen Theories.